Hello beautiful people, how are you doing? So in today's video I'm going to try on this Fullace twist curly wig. You can put it in different styles because it's Fullace. So for this wig you can wear it without gluing it down, but you can also glue it down if you want it to be more secure. So let me just try it on. Yeah. And then I left out some baby hairs. Also, if you don't want the baby hair, always just cut them. But I always prefer when a client gets the wig with baby hair, and then when she gets it, then she decides on whether she wants to cut the baby hair or not. But also, if you don't want it with baby hair, always let me know so that I don't make it with baby hair. But you can also cut it yourself. And then since it's Fullace, you can put it in different styles. For this hair that I haven't twisted, I'm going to apply Baby Love just to prevent it from tangling. You can use any hair oil that you have and then finger comb. So I'll add combs on this wig. I haven't added combs just to make it more secure, but has an elastic band to make it fit on your hair. So again guys, remember this wig is a Fullace. I have already put it in a bun. So guys, again, if you are interested in this wig, just check the description box down below for more details on how to order it. And then for this twist, it comes in a closure, a Fullace. So the one that has a Fullace like this one, it's a different price compared to the one that has a closure. For a closure, it's just like here, it has the lace just in the middle, but now for this one, it's like the whole head has a lace. And then for frontal, it's from here to here. The lace is just like the front part of the wig. So I'll just put the details in the description box down below for my website and my WhatsApp. You can contact me, and also with whichever color that you prefer, always let me know. Okay guys, that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Oh, before I forget guys, you are supposed to apply a foundation on the net to make it blend well with your complexion.